In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the slope of a linear equation between 2 points, and I'll show you how to do this using two different methods. And so the first method that's really common is using the slope formula. So we know that slope is the change in y divided by the change in x between 2 points on the line, and some people call this rise over run. And so the slope formula is just the difference between the 2 points, and you need to divide y by x. So if you have 2 points, you would take the first y value, subtract the second y value, and then you would divide that by the first x value minus the second x value, and you would get your slope. So for the first example, I'll show you using the slope formula. So suppose you're given the points 19, -2, and -11, 10. So remember, this will be x1, it's the first point, it's the first x value. This will be x2. This is the first y value, so that'll be y1, and this will be y2. To find my slope, I'm going to look first at the y values. y1 is -2 minus y2. For the denominator, I have x1 as 19 minus -11. Now be really careful when you're subtracting negatives. This is a really common mistake. 19 minus, the formula tells me to subtract, but I'm subtracting a negative. So you need to have that double negative, otherwise you're going to get the wrong answer. -2 minus 10, this is same sign sum, add and keep the sign, -12. Here, I'll change change subtraction to addition and change the sign of the second number. And now I'm adding. And I get my slope. And of course, you can simplify this by dividing by 6 over 6. This will be -2/5. So this will be my rise, this will be my run. The line will be going down from left to right, down 2 boxes, right 5. Now, another method that you can use that I really prefer is a table. And so tables are really useful for all kinds of things. But say you're given the point 1, -19, and the point -2, -7. Now, I like tables. I'm going to put these points in a table, and I'm going to think about what the change in y is. So if I think about a number line, I'm just thinking if I'm at -19 on a number line and I travel to -7, how far am I going? So I know I'm going to move to the right on a number line to get to -7. So I would be adding a value to -19. So to get that value, I can think, what is 19 minus 7, which is just going to give me 12. For the change in x is a little bit easier. These numbers are closer together. If I'm at 1, +1 on a number line, and I want to get to -2, I'm going to go to the left, and I'm going to pass over 0. So I have to include 1 unit plus another 2 or 3. I'm moving left, so this will be a -3. Now this is my change in y. This is my change in x. So my slope will be 12 over -3, or just -4.